Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Now, let's execute code 1 to generate the error and observe what happens. Now, here's the breakdown and the fix for the issue. Please pause the video to read the explanation. It's time to mend the code and check the produced result. And there you have it. The code executes flawlessly and our output matches our expectations. No more error. That wraps up our video for today. If this video was of help, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more programming fix videos. Keep the curiosity alive. Keep growing, and happy programming to all.